iQOO is all set to unveil its next flagship device, iQOO 15. iQOO 15 is expected October China debut, December India launch. An image showing part of the device's rear panel has also surfaced online. iQOO 15 has a color-changing design. This is the first look iQOO 15. iQOO 15 will come with a 6.8-inch flat Samsung display featuring a 2K resolution, an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, and an IP68/69 rated chassis. This will have 50MP resolution and will use a 1/1.5 type sensor. The device will also have a 50MP periscope telephoto camera. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, likely to be paired with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of internal storage. The iQOO 15 is expected to be backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, offering lasting performance and could offer 100W fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.